Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. There seems to be a area awakening that is going on in southeastern zone, and the apex social cultural group are also talking. They're speaking up, and they have a lot to say. In fact, they called out their governors, called out their leaders, and they have a day they have earmarked as Igbo Day of Mourning. It's a serious one, I must say. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is, Ohaneze, Ndigbo and other cultural groups and the leaders in political leaders are saying in the southeast, judging the fact that there have been a lot of outcry. Like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ohaneze, it's actually 2 in 1. We're going to be very fast about it. Ohaneze Ndigbo Worldwide has cancelled its earlier scheduled Igbo Day of celebration to announce Igbo Day of Mourning. This was announced in a statement signed by Comrade Temple Chika, its National Publicity Secretary. Igbo Day of Mourning, with the theme Ozemena, will now replace Igbo Day, which is usually celebrated annually on the 29th of September. The statement read, "This is to inform all Igbos, both home and in the diaspora, about the cancellation of 2021 Igbo Day, slated previously to hold in Enugu and Oka, Anambra states respectively on the 29th September 2021. We urge Ndigbo to observe the World Igbo Day of Mourning in remembrance of all Igbo martyrs, both at home and in diaspora, whose lives were cut short at their prime during security operations, herdsmen, Obibo, Olu massacre, and the North and banditry. The mood of Ndigbo nowadays depicts mourning both traditionally and religiously. Consequently, there will be no fanfare, no jubilation, and acrobatic cultural display as obtained from the annual Igbo Day celebrations in the past few years." The statement added that there are attempts to commit ethnic cleansing in the name of fighting against the Ipob, that's indigenous people of Biafra. The ongoing secret moves across Igbo land must stop. God will restore peace and security across Igbo land as we openly mourn. Ohaneze Ndigbo demands the unconditional release of the bodies from mortuaries, especially in Imo State, of Igbos wrongly brought down as suspected Ipob members to their various families for burial. In another news, very quickly, also on the same issue, the Apex Igbo Sociocultural Organization, Ohaneze Ndigbo, has described the inability of the Southeast governors to establish the Ebubeagu regional security outfit 3 months after it was mounted as an embarrassment. It also asked the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, to reassert its authority and control of the organization so as to return normalcy to Igbo land, insisting that something other than the initial objective for which the group was formed was taking place and portends great danger. The President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo, Professor George Obiozo, who stated this yesterday in Enugu in his message at the yearly celebration of Igbo Day, billed for September 29, stressed that it was disheartening that the Ebubeagu security outfit has not been established, even in the face of rising insecurity in the southeast. I quote him, "I appeal to the governors to consolidate and establish the Ebubeagu security architecture in the southeast without further delay. The security situation in southeast makes the call urgent and imperative. Our people must have a security networking agency that is under their control and capable of identifying both internal and external security threats in Igbo land," he said. In a related development, Ohaneze Ndigbo that declared that the September 29th, 2021, the Igbo celebration has been renamed to Igbo Day of Mourning. Meanwhile, the Federal Capital Territory FCT chapter for Ohaneze Ndigbo has barred its president and principal officers from accepting government appointments or receiving contracts during their tenure. New president of the chapter, Ifeanyichukwu Obasanweze, who disclosed this in Abuja, said the measure was to ensure that the new executive remained focused to serve the interests of the Ndigbos who elected them to lead them. Obasanjo explained that the resolution of the association in its bylaw was to bar president from accepting government appointments or contracts beginning from his tenure. This is also to increase the over 2,000 employment secured for Igbo people in the FCT, that's Federal Capital Territory, and to hold the 2021 Igbo Day celebration on Wednesday at the Moshood Abiola National Stadium, Abuja. Obasanjo said. He said they were elected in accordance with the bylaws of Ohaneze Ndigbo FCT chapter as amended 2019, which the court had declared valid. Alright, but you have heard what they're saying. No more Igbo celebration day, but Igbo mourning day. Honestly, the first time I heard that there will be celebration day and there'll be form fair come September 29th, and that was some 3-4 weeks ago, many weeks ago, I was surprised with all the things going on in the southeast, with so much insecurity measures, people crying and screaming, and they sit at home, lockdown here and there, so much, very negative information coming out from that region, and you are celebrating exactly what are you celebrating? That finally you are now an independent nation, or you're celebrating that the fact that your children and your children unborn are doing so well and they are now in the every parastatal in the economy of Nigeria? Or are you celebrating that the fact that finally you have found a way around things? Let's call a spade a spade. Things are happening. There's so many things going on that needs to be corrected. One of which is the fact that every day we keep hearing very negative news coming out from that region, and not just that region, even in the northern part of Nigeria. It's as if every day is an insecurity issue. And just some hours ago, one of the lawmakers that is representing southern Kaduna said that every day keep talking about the issue of banditry and kidnapping, but it looks as if the other senators were not understanding the pains he said. He said that he just hopes and pray that one day they will all not understand, they will feel the pain and touch the tears of the common man, how these things go, that these guys don't understand what it means. They don't understand the name, they don't understand the common man. All they understand is the money and the ransom. And now everybody's beginning to see it. It's no longer a case of Southern Kaduna alone. It's everywhere. It's in the southeast. It's everywhere. And so many things happened just some days back, where people were called out. A young couple who just got married. I don't know where the man was driving out to, and that was it. That was how they ended his life. So you just find out that these issues of insecurity, it's not something that we keep hearing issues of, okay, they have captured some certain persons, they've done this some certain persons, and some young lads every day lose their lives over issues they have no idea of. For sometimes they also have an idea. So you now find out that it's not something they should celebrate, it's actually something they should mourn. So I must say well done for the fact that they changed the team, not on celebration but on mourning. And also the fact that they've called out the governors over the issue of Ebubeagu. Honestly, it's beginning to look like a joke. Up till now, we're still talking about Ebubeagu. I thought by now they would have been saying that they formed everything, Ebubeagu is everywhere, trying to chase out these marauding headsmen. Let's